Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the nitrogen substituted derivatives of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. In that, aldehydes are ketones. See here, if you close hydrogen, it is a ketone. If you close CH3, it is a aldehyde. So, here aldehydes and ketones. The derivatives of nitrogen I am writing at a time here. Okay? Right. So these are reaction with the first one, ammonia. So ammonia NH3, I am writing here NH2H. First of all, already you know, these aldehydes and ketones undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay? Right. So then this NH2 minus nucleophile and H plus. This nucleophile attack to the carbonyl carbon first. Then this carbon to oxygen pi bond accept the proton. Then formation of this is equilibrium reaction. This reaction takes place in the presence of isomeria. Okay, right. So here CH3 C HrCH3 OH. So NH3 will be formed. Okay. So actually this is the least stable product. So which is rapidly undergoes dehydration reaction. So rapidly undergoes dehydration reaction. See, conveniently NH2 I am writing NaCH. From here OH, from here H. Then the bond shift here rapidly undergoes dehydration. Okay. So then formation of CH3 C HrCH3 double bond NH. See, this is imine. What will be formed? Imine, it will be formed. E-M-I-N-E. Imine, it will be formed. Okay? Right. So next, we'll discuss about the same ammonia over. Then aldehydes are ketones. CH3, C double bond O, HrCH3. So here whatever the reactions I am writing, these all reactions are first of all undergoes nucleophilic addition, then after elimination reaction. You remember. Okay? Here this is the first reaction with ammonia. So in this reaction what happens, you know, that you remember that they will ask for competitive level. Here what happening? First one, nucleophilic addition as well as elimination reaction takes place. Nucleophilic addition as well as elimination reaction takes place. So here aldehydes are ketone reaction with NH2OH. NH2OH. This is said to be hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. So here direct I am showing here elimination reaction. Here also this reaction also undergoes first of all nucleophilic addition as well as elimination. Direct I am showing the elimination reaction, then formation of CH3 C double bond NOH HrCH3. So here oxime it will be formed. What is this now? Oxime. Remember this is the oxime. So when oxime it will be formed, aldehydes are ketone reaction with hydroxylamine, then formation of oxime. Next aldehydes. Generally, in aldehydes you remember reaction with the aniline. H2N. Aniline reaction with the aniline. Then formation of one important reagent it will be formed. Okay, so that is said to be CH3 double bond N. So this is a very important reagent. This is said to be Schiff's base. What it will form, you know? Schiff's base. You remember. Aldehydes are reaction with aniline, then formation of Schiff's base. Okay, right. Next, here we have completed three reactions. One with ammonia, then another one hydroxylamine, another one aniline. These three reactions are completed. Next, Next, fourth one, aldehydes are ketones reaction with the hydrazine. See, CH3 C double bond O HRCH3 reaction with the hydrazine H2N NH2. This is the hydrazine. So this reaction also first step undergoes nucleophilic addition as well as elimination reaction takes place. So here direct I am writing elimination reaction. So this is the original name of this hydrazine. Hydrazine. So hydrazine, then formation of hydrazone, it will be formed. What is this? Hydrazone, it will be formed. Hydrazone, it will be formed. Okay. Next, aldehydes are ketone reaction with phenylhydrazine. What is this? This is phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine. Okay. So here also same nucleophilic addition as well as elimination reaction takes place. Then formation of phenylhydrazone, it will be formed. Phenylhydrazone, it will be formed. Phenylhydrazone, it will be formed. Next, sixth one, that is a very important reagent. That reagent which is used to identify the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, the reagent is that aldehyde, both are reacting here. Aldehydes are ketone, both are reacting with the 2,4 DNP. See, this is 2,4 DNP. Sometimes they will mention as a DNPH. Also they will mention. Sometimes they will mention DNP. 2,4. See, number 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Okay. So this is reaction with aldehydes and ketones. Then formation of then formation of 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone, it will be formed. Hydrazone, it will be formed. So this is forms scarlet red color. So this is formed scarlet red color, it will be formed. You remember. So this 2,4 DNP, which is also known as Brody's reagent. What is this? Brody's reagent. It is called Brody's reagent. You remember. Okay, this just to give the positive test for aldehyde as well as ketones. Next, last one. Aldehydes are ketone. CH3 C double bond O HRCH3 reaction with see, this is said to be semi-carbazide. This is said to be semi-carbazide. So here water molecule is eliminated. Then formation of CH3 C double bond HRCH3 then NH C double bond O NH2 plus water will be formed. This is said to be semi-carbazole. What is this? Semi-carbazide reaction with aldehydes and ketones, then formation of semi-carbazole. So you remember in this reaction, carbonyl group adjacent nitrogen of hydrogen not involved in the elimination reaction. Carbonyl group, okay, adjacent nitrogen of hydrogen not involved. So carbonyl group adjacent these hydrogens also not involved. These hydrogens of nitrogen only involved. Okay, right, that point to remember. Okay, right, thank you very much.